Hi guys, my name is Azmir Sheikh and my ID name is AS Fitbar. So like my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Comment what is your question in the comment box. Okay. So share to your friends to be knowledgeable. Okay. So uh, just I've explained you in the last vlog that space exploration, and that was part 1. Today I am telling you space exploration part 2. Okay, that last vlog was part 1. Today is part 2. Okay guys, if I will read the teach you the part 1 and part 2 in the one vlog, so it will be very long vlog and you will be bored. Okay, so today's topic is space exploration part 2. Okay, so the space exploration part 2, it is very interesting and knowledgeable. Okay, look, this is the satellite. What is that? Look, this is a this is the magnetometer, this is the generator, and this is the ultraviolet sensor. Okay, so look, in the satellite outside there is something like a dish. That's not that you are thinking that's the normal, this is nothing, but that dish is very very important for satellite. It is called the communication dish. Okay, that the communication dish communicate to alien signals. Okay, so this is the dish, and here is something like in cuboid shape. What is this called? Asteroid detector. Okay, asteroid detector. And in the dish behind that is something like in systems. What it is called? It is called the infrared sensor. Okay, infrared sensor. Like I have taught you in the last vlog, infrared telescopes, just like that. That is in the telescope behind there is like a system that is called the infrared telescope sensor. Now Pioneer spacecraft, Pioneers 10 and 11 made fables of Jupiter and Saturn. They are known as heading out the solar system into deep space. Wow, in the deep space. Atmospheric probe. This type of the craft enters the planet's atmosphere. That Galileo probe divided into Jupiter's stormy atmosphere in 2005. Okay. Rover is a robotic lander with wheels that can drive about. Rovers sent to Mars and have studied its rocks for science and ancient period life. Okay. Now what is the ancient period? You have on. Okay. When the space topic will finish, I will taught you about the history, like that is the period, okay, like ancient periods. When the space topic will end, that time I will taught you history, ancient period meanings, okay. Now the lander. Some craft can touch down the surface of another world in 1976. Viking 1 became the first craft to successfully land on Mars. Wow, so many rockets. You didn't hear Hercules, Long March of China, Areny for Europe, Delta Heavy USA, and Enver USR, Saturn V USA. I have taught you in the last vlog, yes. Rockets called world largest rockets. So, Pininator. A pininator is decision to hit its target at a high speed and bury itself in 5,000 feet deep impact penetrate the surface of a comet. Solar system missions. In little more than 50 years, around 200 spacecraft have left Earth's orbit. Okay? Orbit. The mission have been to Earth's nearest neighbors in space, the Moon and the planets Mars and Venus. Venus, you are scared. The Venus is most hottest planet ever, never. Most visited. This chart shows the number of missions to the major bodies in the solar system. Look guys, I am talking about a chart now. Okay, now I am talking about a chart of planets. Okay, look, this is the square 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. In the 10 ones, Sun is 10, okay. Mercury is 0%, okay, and the Venus is 40%, and the Moon is 80%, very highest score. I'm talking about the score, okay. Mars 40. Asteroids. What asteroids? 20. Jupiter 10. Saturn half than 10. Uranus very small than 10. Neptune 0 number, and Pluto is very down, okay. So the Moon is made of rocks and ice, means the Moon is very coldest planet, and the Moon is made now a century, okay, because it has a highest score. Moon has a highest score, so the Moon made the century. You know century? Yes. So the satellites, about 1000 Optian satellites orbit Earth, carrying out tasks such as beaming TV signals around the world, gathering data of weather forecast, and spying for the military. Many thousands more pieces of space junk called satellites, discarded rocket parts, and debris form colonies also circle our planet. The growing cloud of space debris is a hazard to spacecraft. Okay. Now over 5,500 objects, included satellites and space junk, orbit Earth. Okay. Now, living in space, astronauts must adapt into a zero gravity environment. When living in space, atla floating weightly can be fun. It can also cause medical problems. Space stations and cramped places with few lectures. Astronauts eat freeze-dried or served in pouches. All water is recycled, including the water vapor from human breath. Astronauts clean themselves with special shampoos and soap that don't need water. They use space toilets that suck away the waste rather than flushing in the water. Look, remember astronauts. I am an astronaut. Remember, I am an astronaut. Pretend astronaut. This is the brain and balance. Without gravity, the inner Earth's balance system no longer works, which can make astronauts feel sick. Okay? And this is the heart. Blood flows more easily, so the heart doesn't need to work so hard. Yes. And this is the muscles. Movement is easy when you are weightless, and muscles waste away if not use. Workouts in the onboard gym help to stop the happening. And bones weaken and become less dense. Regular exercise is essential to keep them strong. Okay. Satellite orbits. Okay guys, and I have taught you Fit India, so go in that vlog and scroll it. It is written in the description. Fit India. Click on that. I have taught you about the benefits of exercise and that about the body exercises and many things about body. Okay, so I am telling you about now space and astronaut exercise. Satellite orbits. Some satellites are a few hundred kilometers above Earth's surface, but others are much further than. Some of highest, such as TV and phone satellites. Yes, phone satellites. You didn't seen. Have geogesly orbits, which means they stay over a fixed point to Earth. Satellites with lower orbits change position all the time. Look, this is the ring and this is the Earth. Low Earth orbit, Internal Space Station. Orbital period. Hour line. 20 hours, 15 hours, 10 hours, 5 hours, and the 20 hours is geogesly orbit communication satellite. Okay guys, so my part 2 is over and I will meet you in next vlog. So like my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon and comment what is your question. Share it to your all friends and relatives. Okay, so bye guys, take care and be healthy. Wash your hands and wear mask. Bye guys, take